Knowing how to timecode your lighting cues is a skill that programmers can't live without. I want to help you master this skill, so I've created a course to cover everything you need to know to program your show to timecode. You might already know me. I'm Kat West, and when I'm not making Consoletrainer video tutorials, I'm out programming concert tours, broadcasts, and other events, almost always to timecode. I wanted this course to feel like I was sitting right next to you, showing you how I like to use timecode and taking you through the real-world scenarios you're going to encounter on your productions. Together, we'll build your first time-coded show file using time-coded tracks included in the course. And if you get lost along the way, you can always download the show file that I'm using in these video lessons. This course gets into more detail than any timecode training tutorial that I've made in the past. There's a lot to learn, but I'll try to make it easy. And when you're through the course, you'll receive a personalized certificate of completion. I'm a big fan of timecode. SMPTE is my jam. Hopefully by the end of this course, you'll love it as much as I do.